Hey babes, so lately I've been working on my adulting skills. So I've been doing my own laundry, but I'm not that good at telling the difference between detergent, softener, and bleach and all that other stuff in between. So my mom got me these laundry sheets, which you just take one of the sheets, and I'm gonna take a half one because I'm doing towels, not that many towels. Feels like gum. I'm just gonna put half the sheet in with the laundry. They're really easy to use. They're eco-friendly and made with coconut oil extract. So, just gotta figure out how to do this. It's dissolving. Skies with me. So I got two different scents. I got the ocean and the peach, but the peach is my favorite because you know. Okay, come look at it get all bubbly. We just turned it on, so it's trying to get there. We'll show you guys when it's even bubblier. I honestly can't believe that these little sheets kill 99.9% of germs. And as you can tell by the size, they are super easy to travel with. Piggy.